If you clicked on this video, that's probably because you have $100 and you want to invest them to make money from it. And I know that 90% of you are expecting me to tell you how to make a lot of money with stock market, crypto, or other assets. Then you are not thinking the right way. In this video, I will give you 3 ways to invest your first $100. And if you're still until the end, I will explain you how Warren Buffett has invested his first $100 when he was 20. But before seeing in what you should invest in, I will tell you in what you shouldn't invest your first $100. You shouldn't invest in crypto, stocks, or any other assets. Let me explain you why. Investing in this kind of assets won't make you rich. Let's say that you invest $100 in a stock and in 1 year you multiply your investment by 2, which is a crazy return. Then you will have earned $100 a year, and sorry to say that, but I think that we can agree that it sucks. In fact, you won't become rich by earning $100 a year. And let's say that you pick a crypto that do 10x in a year, which is a really crazy return on investment. Then you will have $1,000. It's good, it's pretty good, but $1,000 a year won't make you rich neither. So in what should you invest? The best way to invest your first $100 is to invest in yourself. And I know we always hear that, and at best it sounds boring, at worst it sounds like bullshit. But it's the best way to invest your first $100. Investing is really important, but the first step before investing is to earn money. And you can earn money as an entrepreneur or as an employee, but in all cases, you need to learn some valuable skills. It can be in the field you want, in marketing, finance, web development, or in anything. Just choose something you like. So in what can you invest these $100? Firstly, you can follow online courses on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy. Udemy, for example, has a lot of courses between $100 and $200, but there is always new discounts for new members, so you can easily buy a course for $10 or $20. Secondly, you can buy books. There is a lot of books on any topic you want, where online courses will make you learn operational skills, books will make you learn more theoretical concepts. And the last one in bonus, because you don't need $100 to start, is YouTube. Just as you watch my video right now, you can learn a lot of skills on YouTube for free. If we take the example of personal finance, you can follow YouTubers like Graham Stephan, Andrew Jick, or Humphrey Yang, for example. The second thing you need to do is to invest your first $100 to start a side hustle. A side hustle is a business you do in addition of your primary job. Doing a side hustle will make you develop your skills and earn extra money like tens or hundreds of euros a month. The main benefit of a side hustle is if you manage to make it grow correctly, it can become one day your main source of income. There is thousands of ways to start a side hustle. Here are 7 ideas for you to start a side hustle. You can participate in online surveys. You can create an e-commerce website and sell products. You can do video editing for content creators or companies. You can start a YouTube channel. You can give tutoring courses to students. You can make food deliveries, or you can do freelancing on websites like Fiverr. These are just examples of side hustle. There is good ones and bad ones. For me, a side hustle is more entrepreneurial than a side job. So the goal is not to be a double employee and to work twice much. Before starting a side hustle, you need to ask yourself if it's scalable or if it will be another employee job. The last way to invest your first $100 is to flip items. Flipping items is the easiest way to start making money from $100, and anyone can do it. You can flip any items you want if you understand the supply and the demand of its market. My first piece of advice for you is to focus yourself on a specific niche and to become a specialist of this niche. Watch the new listings of items on Marketplace, and when you see an item that seems undervalued, buy it or make an offer at a lower price. Then you will only have to sell it after at a higher price. My second piece of advice is to take good picture and to make good description. Sometimes some items are only undervalued because there is no description and the quality of the photo is very low. For these kinds of items, it's easy to buy them under their price and to make profit by adding good photos and a detailed description. My last piece of advice is to be patient. If you don't see any item undervalued, then don't buy anything. If you buy something too expensive, it will be hard to make profit on it. Now it's time to tell you in what Warren Buffett has invested his first $100. Until the age of 20, he was petrified of public speaking. He one day forced himself to sign up to the Dale Carnegie Public Speaking School, and he bought a $100 class. And you know what he said? If you want to get rich, you absolutely need to hit that like button. More seriously, he said, this $100 course gave me the most important degree I have, and it's why I'm successful today. And it's interesting to hear from one of the best equity advisors of all time that his best investment was not stock, but a $100 course. By the way, Andrew Carnegie wrote a famous bestseller called How to Win Friends and Influence People, and I strongly recommend you to read it if you want to improve your relationships in business, but also in all-day life. For only $10 or $20, it's one of the best investments you can do with a small budget. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want detailed video about side hustles or which book I recommend, leave a comment below. See you next week for the next video about investment.